Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a rice plov, and I'm going to make rice plov with baby bella mushroom. It's going to be mushroom rice plov. Organic baby bella. This one has a 24 ounce in the pack. I'm going to use 8 ounce. I'm going to use a 1 cup. It's a basmati rice. I'm going to wash it with the cold water. Then I'm going to use 2 cup water. For our tadka, I'm going to use olive oil. And the spices I'm going to use from the spice rack. So please check it out the description below for the ingredient list. And let's start making a rice plov. Bella mushroom is cut into small thin slices, and I washed it and drained the water. Same thing I've done with the rice. I washed with the cold water, and let's start making our rice plov. Start gas, and I'm going to keep gas on high, and I'll bring fry pan. I'll bring olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Once the oil start to heat up, I'll bring cumin seed, jeera, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon mustard seed. And I'll bring mushroom. And we're going to cook it well. I'm just going to cover with the screen splatter so it won't splash the oil on the countertop. So we're going to cook it on a high gas for 5 minutes. Cooking for 2 minutes, this is how it looks. I'm going to stir it again. Cooking for 5 minutes with the cover screen. Our mushroom is nicely cooked. And now I'm going to bring the spices. 1 teaspoon black pepper, turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon, cumin powder, 1/2 teaspoon, coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon, and salt, 1/2 teaspoon. I'm going to mix it well. And we're going to cook our spices along with the mushroom for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring water. Mix it well. Now I'm going to cover with the lid, and we're going to bring the water to boil. The water is started to boil. I'm going to turn the fan on, and I'm going to open the lid. I'll bring the rice, mix it well. After mixing it well, I'm going to cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for exactly 5 minutes. We are cooking on high gas. It's exactly 5 minutes cooking on a high gas. As you can see, this is how our mushroom rice plov looks like it. Now I'm not going to open it. We're going to bring the temperature to low, which is simmer. We're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. Please do not open the lid. We want that steam to stay inside, and the rice plov, once it's gonna get cooked, after 10 minutes we're going to open. Each grain is going to be separate. It's not going to be a sticky rice. And when you're going to see it, you're going to love it. So we'll come back after 10 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes cooking on a simmer. I'm going to turn off the gas. And now there is no waiting time. We can open it. One tip I wanted to share with you. When you open it, you see all the water trapped here, the condensation. You don't want to tilt the lid. It's gonna go inside our rice plow. So just lift it straight, and I'm going to turn the fan on. Just lift it straight and just bring it out, just like that. And look at our rice plow, the mushroom rice plow. It's all ready. Each grain is separate. Wow, look at this. It's not sticky at all. Wow, look at this. It's so good. Looking super delicious. And I'm going to take it out in my serving platter. Look at this. All the rice plow is each grain is separate. If you follow the easy steps recipe, you're going to love it. You will enjoy with your family, friends, and best of all, when you're going to cook it, you're going to enjoy it yourself. This is called perfect cooking. Our rice plow dish is ready. Our quick and easy mushroom rice plow all ready, and I'm going to garnish with parsley flake. Wow, it looks super yum. And you can serve this one rice plow any time of the day or any occasion. If you are a mushroom lover, you're going to love this one. I love mushroom. So this is very healthy and nutritious. So please try it. And if you like it, like always, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.